Kraksalo R.K.Pur Bwskango Kisaswk Samung Sitra Khlainairokni Yago attack Khlaijakha Pratibadi Kalam newspaper ni editor Chowdhury Patimungno Belai Sejamani Sakha Khumulwng Press Club Day Tripura Electronic Media Society
Kraksalo Tripura kaisa case ni hearing go thangmani Udaipur ni R.K.Pur dorbar nogo court ni hearing paimani Yago dorbar nogni phatro faimani loge Jasimuddin mungai Khoroksa mafia ni teidul mungbai Kisaswk Samung Sitra Khlainairok Chowdhury ni logio tongnai advocate te Khoroksa koktuma thumnai no lama ka suwai khok Sitra tikhlaimani loge Chowdhury ni yakni mobile phone sheki naharmani koktuma aboshimia rang 20 lakh riya hankai bothari khibe jagnai hunai Chowdhury no damrokmani koksil Samung abaikeno borni malkhungni Bwskango tei malkhungni uklogo bike berawai tonai borni malkhungno kasui tonmani koktuma phiaba borokno katirunani bagai swikangai phailia Khoroksa police adangrok paithago borokni chirik mokorok khnawi Udaipur Bar Association ni lawyer rok swikangai phaiye borokno Samung Sitra Khlainairokni yakni katirumani koktuma Patimungno Yago Rajakhor agulio kifili phaiye Agartala West Thanao Chowdhury ni bwkhaktei Khlaijakha FIR Kraksalo o Patimungno Belai Sejamani Sakha Khumulwng Press Club Patimungno krungjak Samung Sitra Khlainairokno dakti arrest khlaijaknani bagai Samung Sakha Khumulwng Press Club ni president Ongsumai Deborma
Today an unjustifiable untoward incident took place inside the R.K.Pur court premises in Udaipur. We stand in solidarity with Mr. Chowdhury, editor of Pratibadi Kalam, and along with him an advocate and one of the journalists. Today there was a case hearing in Udaipur court premises, and after hearing the case, when they came out, a miscreant in the name of Jasimuddin and his group, they started assaulting using abusive words and attempt to murder. Threats were given against Chowdhury, and the culprits and the miscreants, they also demanded 20 lakhs rupees as extortion of money, which is illegal. And such kind of incident which took place inside the court premises where the people goes to seek justice, it is really alarming situations. We Khumulwng Press Club, we demand justice. We want the people, especially the media fraternity and all the press clubs of the Tripura, and we seek immediate action from the police, from the Home Department, so that this kind of incident can be avoided in later period.
Abaikeno Samung Sitra Khlainairokno arrest khlaimani loge borokni sakao krak bus thumjaknani Samung Sakha Khumulwng Press Club ni secretary Ranjit Deborma
Tini R.K.Pur Bwskango Pratibadi Kalam ni editor Chowdhury bini kaisa case hearing thangmani case hearing pai court ni ongkhormani jorao Jasimuddin ni Khoroksa Samung Sitra khainai bini tidulmung bai kaisa group Chowdhury no lama kasui bonopuila physical assault tei sikri chokro khlaimani logi bini yakni mobile shegi naharka 20 lakh rang riya hangkangke bothari khibnani bo humki rejakha o Patimungno जों Khumulwng Press Club Belai Sejamung sawo oboni logi police ni bwkhaktei Home Department ni bwkhaktei dakti strict action naharnani bagai aboni logi Samung Sitra Khlainairokno dakti arrest khlaiयै krak bus thumjaknani bagai जों Khumulwng Press Club strongly demand khlaio.
Abaikeno Pratibadi Kalam newspaper ni editor Chowdhury choprobjakmani Patimungno Belai Shelangma singsa Patimung hunai Sejamani Sakha Agartala Press Club ni president eba Tripura Electronic Media Society ni president Pranab Sarkar Samung Sitra Khlainairokno dakti arrest khlaijagi hanke kotor chabo ongkhornai hinaibo damrok mungrkha Agartala Press Club ni president Pranab Sarkar. Bureau report Chini Khorang.